Welcome to the channel. I'm Ray and I post mainly about the Coast Guard. In this video you'll get to see what boat checks consist of. They usually do these every morning and I happen to follow along for a few of them, so enjoy it and I'll see you at the end.
Line. Yeah. That's pretty much lowering the mass of the boat. How long it is? 25 feet.
25 feet.
Yeah.
It's 1.25.
Wow. Where are we going now?
To the front. We're gonna make sure that we have our boat hooks.
The what?
Boat hose.
Boat hose, okay.
So in here we have 2 fenders and 8 mooring lines.
4 of 2.25 and 4 of 3.25.
Yeah. Can you hold it?
Do you have it?
Yeah. It's more easier if you leave them like attached to this bar, so that way you can count more
Sometimes
faster.
you leave them out drying and then you just trust them.
I got you. Fenders, anchor, and T-bar?
Yeah, and anchor line, anchor chain, and this T-bar handle that is to open that hatch over there.
That hatch right there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Ooh.
Come up right. 2 heating cups, first aid kit, 5 gallons, fresh water. Soap
So what kind of things are you checking for in here?
like all the stuff that the boat has to like
All the survival
have
gear.
inside. So it's mission ready.
Oh my goodness. I didn't know all this was in here.
So the oars in here.
Your and oil, petrol,
How many gallons of oil?
5 gallons of oil and a gallon of petrol.
5 gallons of oil.
Yeah. So we have damage control kit, T-hair protections, Talos 15 with hydraulic fluid, and 5 gallons of 40W oil is for the engines. Then we have 4 heavy weather belts, 4 Type 3 life jackets,
And 5 kids and 5 adult
Type 1s.
Anyway, blankets, 7s, light.
So we have 6 Mark 127 Alphas that they are used for SAR cases to illuminate the area that we're looking. Spotlight that is used in the open ridge. Bell. I'm out operated horn. 4 blankets, 2 pillows, and blood pathogen kit. That's about it.
That's the toilet.
Yeah. We are missing some
So you
toilet
can-
paper, or it is there.
And this is so you can talk with the people upstairs.
Okay. You guys don't count the toilet paper to make sure you're good to go?
No.
This is where you drive.
Yeah, one of the 2 spots. You can drive here or upstairs.
Huh. I guess this is for heavy weather.
Yeah.
Not really that bad.
It is.
Only when
Like,
it gets
if you're
cold,
feeling
cold.
cold, you can like come inside here, or
This is actually to steer the boat, left, right.
Oh, that
And this
thing?
is engine power.
Nice. What's those red buttons do?
This is to stop the engines. This is emergency shut-offs for the engines. It cuts off the air and then the engine stops, and here's a fire suppression system button.
I see. Blue light switch.
Yep.
Over there.
So this is the nav kit. We have our chart and plotter there, but just in case that, let's say that they broke down or something, we are prepared with like the AOR
Manual
charts.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. These are like. Oh, that's cool.
So here's where they actually drive all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in this boat you can drive like in this side or that side.
Or
so that's cool.
downstairs.
Yeah.
Like they'll just move from this end to see what they gotta see. They use this to steer on this side again. Like there you got the big helm.
Oh.
You got your stops again. And this is for all the fire suppression stuff. Like alarms, like if there's a fire, if there's something wrong with the steering, like the cable breaks.
Too much water in the bilge, you do. Oh, you empty the bilge with that. Okay.
No, this is just to give you an alarm that there's too much water. Someone will run down there.
Oh.
Yeah, so we'll run down there and then empty it out.
Yeah, they just put the hours.
Turning everything on.
Oh, that works.
For River regular marine information broadcast, just listen channel 22 Alpha 157.1 megahertz out.
Wow.
Flip up the charger inverter. Alright, so the boat will convert everything coming from the alternators into usable power. Switch from shore power on both of these switches over to charger inverter, just like you did over there. And then that's on. So you see everything with a blue tack here.
Yep.
You're gonna flip everything back on except this bottom one, but we're still gonna do it because look at that.
Yeah.
There's a steering pressure alarm. That means there's no pressure because the engine's not running control. See, now they stop because you got pressure running through the system. We're gonna head back out and check for discharge. Do a light round now. So you're gonna flip everything on. Blue way switch goes the other way for some reason. So floodlight good, blue light switch good. Turn this on so we get the radar when we come back.
Thanks for watching. If you find this information helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment below if you have any